We've all had those spaces that for one reason or another become a dumping ground. Maybe it's your hallway closet, or maybe it's like my friend's weird shaped pantry. I did an impromptu declutter and organization in less than an hour because I'm weird like that, and that's my idea of a good time. So I hope this inspires you to tackle a messy area of your home. Let's begin. Hello, everyone. I am at my friend's house doing an impromptu pantry declutter. We just finished having lunch. I saw this cute little door under the stair, and I was wondering, whatever could this be? It's a pantry, and it needs decluttering. It needs organizing. And I'm gonna do that quickly, hopefully, right now. First step, taking it all out. I'm gonna use this table, and we put a sheet here on the floor just to kind of have a clear workspace. We'll go through and see what's in here and see how we can better organize it. It's a weird space. It's deep, and you have to really go in there. It's angled strangely. I'm gonna try to make it as functional as possible for her and see what I can do here. Dealing with a small interior type space like a closet or a pantry that you step into, you're definitely gonna wanna take everything out. That goes for cupboards as well. That way you can assess every single item. And the other thing you're gonna need is a clear workspace. That can be a countertop, it can be a table, it can be the floor, but you just need a clear space to do your sorting from. Not so bad. A lot of bags, honestly. A few random appliances. A rolling cart would be really helpful for a space like this. But we're just gonna use what she has. So she's gonna vacuum this, and then we'll start sorting through things and categorizing. I am home after a week of travel, and Factor makes getting back on track easier than ever. I get to skip hours of shopping, meal prep, cooking, cleaning, dishes without sacrificing taste because Factor meals are delivered fresh, never frozen, and chef prepared. No more last minute drive-thrus or wasting money on delivery. That's right, I get restaurant quality food delivered straight to my doorstep. You get to pick your own meal plan. I love the keto option, but they have veggie and vegan, calorie smart, chef's choice, whatever you need to fit your lifestyle. I'm a eat everything on my plate kind of gal, so I love that Factor is automatic portion control, so I don't have to struggle with that at all, and it fills me up, so I'm not hungry after I finish my meal. The food is delicious. Seriously, I've been eating Factor for almost 2 years now because it is consistently outstanding. They have an awesome special, so definitely check them out. Just head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code TheCarlaProject50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. Again, you can head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code TheCarlaProject50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. Thank you, Factor. All right, shoe. All of this was in this little pantry cabinet. We're gonna start sorting through things. It's a lot of bags, honestly. I'll start a pile for all the paper bags, and then I'll start a pile for all the plastic bags. Because I'm assuming you want to keep all of them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Like this too?
No.
Okay. This I can use for trash. Plastic. Paper. Old receipt. Trash. This thingy.
You trash it.
Trash. Your toaster? Do you have more than one?
No.
Oh, okay. So you just store it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bigger trash bag?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want the box?
No, I guess not.
Swiffer cleaning supply. So we'll start a cleaning supply pile. What's this? You want it?
Yeah.
This bag's dirty, actually.
Okay.
More plastic bags. This is...
She did it. Ellie, get out. Yeah, you can throw that. Unless is there anything in it? Thanks.
No.
Okay.
You want this little gift bag? This is actually kind of torn too.
Oh yeah, no, I need it.
Plastic, 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 plastic. Lots of plastic. Plastic. Paper. Cleaning supply. Old pizza box.
Okay, I guess I don't need those.
Okay, goodbye. Old pizza box. Goodbye.
I just want to say those are clean.
These are clean for the record. They're backup in case the people who deliver her pizza bring it without a box.
I can recycle them.
Yeah, this can all go on recycle, right? What is this, like a...
It's a rice cooker.
Oh,
rice cooker.
You want this?
Oh, yeah.
Plant section. This water jug?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I use that.
It looks like it's never been used. Has it actually been used? It literally looks like it's never had a drop of water in it.
A long time ago. Oh yes. Yes.
And this thing has got something in it though. You wanna look? What is that?
Ew!
Ew, ew, ew.
Ew!
Ew! I touched it! Oh my god. I gotta go wash my hands.
Those were the bugs that the exterminator said are not.
Oh, those were the bugs, not their droppings?
No, those were bugs. He was like, those bugs are not cockroaches. Those
I'm so glad you didn't keep that.
Yeah, he's like, those are not bad bugs. They're common. It's stained, huh?
Yeah, it's stained.
I guess so.
Let's say goodbye. Reusable bag, yeah? This thing?
Yes.
No, there's some stuff in here though.
But like, are there bugs in there?
I don't know.
I know, that's why could you just zip it?
Well, if there's stuff in here, you don't want to just zip it up and throw it in there. Oh, I think just like a little winged bug.
Oh my god, it's not working.
This freezer bag is dirty on the inside.
Oh yeah, I don't even know why that's in there.
Trash?
Yeah.
But this is a keep, right?
Yeah.
Or you want to get rid of it? Because if we're going to say it on yes, get rid of it?
Okay, I'll keep it.
Wait, what changed your mind?
This could be useful.
You have like 500 of these?
No, that's the only one I have.
Oh, you lie!
It is!
It is?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Freezer bag?
Unless it has bugs in it.
No.
Oh, that's shocking.
So, keeping the freezer bag. Plastic, 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 paper, plastic, reusable.
Oh yeah, I still use that one. I have like 3 lunch bags. The red one is the one I use the most.
Reusable bag.
Yeah.
This is like a gift bag, kind of. No, reusable.
No, those are gift bags.
Oh.
Here, I'll put them in a different section.
Let's go through this bin, and we can use this just for your brown bags. This one has these little tiny buggies in it.
Swifters.
Yeah, you can keep those. What about these, though?
Yeah, those are nice.
You want to keep them?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I thought those were Gelson's.
What do you want to do with all the bugs?
I'm gonna toss them right now.
Oh, you're just going to toss the butt,
Yeah.
keep the butt bin?
Yeah, I
Okay.
just want everyone to know that those are not cockroaches.
I can tell those are not cockroaches. I'm going to condense all of the plastic bags and condense all of the paper bags and give them a dedicated home to live. Now her paper bags are housed in the bin here. Perfect. And I'm gonna put all of the plastic bags into their holder on the wall.
Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids so we could see.
Small changes, big difference. Those having a home, she's so happy. Now she knows where to grab them from and where to put them. There's all her reusable bags. Easy to grab. We're gonna do this section here. She's gonna get rid of this bamboo thing. All of the dried goods I'm gonna organize now that she's gonna be keeping. That's cleaning stuff over there. Anything that she doesn't need to access regularly. Like here's her extra silverware. That'll go towards the back of the pantry unit. And any of the stuff that she needs to access regularly, like her cat food and any of her dried goods, that stuff will go towards the front.
Gonna cry when you're gone, gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old.
So she really doesn't cook. We don't have much in terms of dry goods. We've got a couple of pastas, protein thingy, some seaweed, some popcorn, some chocolate, storing all of these straws, paper bags, napkins together, a couple of cans, and right now she's looking for a box that we can put all of her cleaning supplies together. We'd have to repaint the shelves. This is just really what it looks like after wiping it down and vacuuming. Everything that's going in there needs to be in a basket or box of some sort so that she can grab it easily and get it out of there. It's a weird space. You can't even stand up in there. This one's pretty much empty, so we're gonna marry these two together. She didn't know she had these, right? She didn't realize she had two, and this, and this. These are like the samples, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're now at the point where we want to start putting things back into the pantry cupboard. This sounds like it's an appliance you don't really use, right?
Yeah. Okay,
so towards the back, or is there anything else that you'd rather have go further back? Oh, do you want your silverware? Take this back there. This is the worst.
It's like a really odd space.
I know. You know, I'll lay it flat. Hold on. Silverware is laid flat. There's the silverware on the floor. It's never going to be used, really. Anything else that you'd want in the back?
Oh, yeah, the chopper.
Okay. Food processor. The toaster. This rice cooker. So you've got lunch boxes. You've got a cooler and another lunch box back here.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want this towards the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
Top shelf is lunchbox, another lunchbox, and let's take your reusable bags. Cooler. I'll put the cooler on the top shelf too. Do you use these when you go to the grocery store?
Yeah, you know what? Let me put them in the car.
In the trunk, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Cool. Okay, that's good. So this is trash here. This is trash. This is trash. And this is recycle. So let's put these with your snack bin. This is like your whole, this is your movie bag, your movie box. That's nice.
Yes, it looks nice.
You've got your chocolates up here, okay? So we're gonna put this in the front.
Yes and no.
Okay, that's trash. Recycle. Okay, this can house your Ziploc baggies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just the box. I'm gonna get rid of the box, okay? I'll put that in there. Okay. All of these like little bags. There. Hi! Okay, so now this can go on this shelf. Trash. Anything else trash? Okay, trash. This is just a miscellaneous. So cat food right there.
Yeah, that's good. Mm-hmm.
Vinegar and the big olive oil.
Chef behind you.
Yes, chef. These are your 2 canned goods? Is this it?
I told you.
I can't believe
I
it.
didn't have a lot of food.
This is all the canned goods that she has in her apartment. She's not much of a chef, but she's holding on to her food processor, her food chopper that's probably not been used since 1917. All right, so your 2 lonely sad cans. You have this little built-in thing here.
Oh, is that for cans?
I mean, they fit.
Uh-huh.
I'm just gonna put that there. What do you want to do with this? You want to keep it?
I mean, like, sometimes they have more food.
Okay, so does that fit there? No. Okay.
Oh, my little lunch tin.
Where? Oh, this, I forgot. Okay. So I'm going to put that in here too. Mm-hmm. Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you use these plastic cups?
No.
Why do you have them?
Why nothing?
No.
Yes.
You're cut off by nothing. You're cut off. Do you want all of these? You have 3 different types of plastic cups. These you can at least... These are like from a hotel. These are from Motel 6.
No. I sometimes use them when I run out of cups.
Okay. Alrighty, fine. So,
I don't need that.
trash.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo! I think my work here is done.
Yay.
One extra thingamabob. She can still use this bottom area for storage. Look at all that on the floor. And this shelf is pretty full, as is that one, but looks so much better. Let's see if she's able to maintain this. I mean, you should be able to, and you have so much more space. It's done. Yay. It doesn't take a long time to make over a messy area of your home. Set aside an hour or two and knock it out. You'll feel great afterwards. Thanks for joining me this week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.